Hi everyone, it's Kaitlyn again. I am back with another nail tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing these nails. Here, I'll put a picture over so you can actually see them. But I'm showing you guys how to do this little floral French design. I can't even lie to you. It's been a couple of days since I did these nails, so we have lost a couple of gems. That's why I'm using the video that I took the day of. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Again, I'm using the Beetles all-in-one nail kit from Amazon that I used the last nail video, except we're gonna use some tips today instead of our regular boring short nails. I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it.
Okay, so we're starting off with prepped nails. They're already shaped. They're already applied with the gel, and I've buffed all the shininess off the top so that the gel polish grips as easily and as well as possible. And my hands are ashy, of course, because we don't want any excess oils or moisture on our hands. Ashy cuticles, ashy hands is giving the best base to start off this nail art. I'm starting off with shade B442 of the Beetles gel polish and just applying one layer of that evenly across all of my nails to give us a nice base for this design. It was the perfect pinky nude that I wanted to have as the base for this French, so I'm just going in with one layer and putting that on all of my nails. Then of course curing each layer for 60 seconds, and this is what we have after that. Then we're going in with Beetles White B346 to do our white French tips. And y'all, French is as easy or as hard as you make it. You see, I'm just using the brush that comes in the bottle, giving it my best shot at neatness, and then I'm gonna clean it up with a little paintbrush you'll see in a minute. I was for sure nervous though. I don't know if you can tell, but I was shaking in my boots. I literally see my hand shaking and I'm like, girl, it's okay. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up what I messed up just to make it as neat as possible. I like a deeper French in all cases, so I always bring the corners down a little bit on all the sides. And I'm just doing the same thing for all of them, making it messy, cleaning it up with a tiny brush as I go. And this is what we're working with after the first layer of white. I always need my white to be super opaque, so I'm curing that first layer, and then I'm just going in back with the bottle brush just to make the white as opaque as possible, because I do not like see-through white. Like, I can't do it, so I'm just adding another one just to be safe. I didn't want any splotchy areas, so I'm just going in again, and I'm gonna cure that after I finish as well. And I don't know, I just feel like it looks better with the double layer of white. Maybe I'm doing too much. Okay, next, I don't have a dotting tool, so I'm using the end of a paintbrush and then Beetles Black. I forgot what the number is because the video is moving too fast. Okay, I just saw it. It's C652. So I'm just using the end of a paintbrush because I don't have a dotting tool, and I'm just making my little floral dot shapes with the end of the paintbrush. And I could have found a smaller paintbrush to do these dots with. I feel like that would have given me a little bit of a cleaner look, but not bad. That was what it looked like after I finished, and I went ahead and cured it. And then I took the Beetles top coat, and I'm just adding that to the centers and then adding a gem to each of the centers. Y'all know I'm about to wear these gems out because they be taxing for gems at the nail salon. And so now that I can do it for free, yeah, every design got gems. Every design has gems. So yeah, I'm just putting them all on my nails as you see here. And this is what it's giving before the top coat. So cute. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add some top coat to just smooth everything out and seal those gems a little bit. Apparently I didn't seal them enough though, because like I said, I lost 3 anyways. This is what it looks like after it's all done. Hold on, let's fix these little ashy, crusty cuticles. Oh, wait. Okay, so I didn't film the other hand because that's too much work, but I basically just did reverse. Black tips, white flowers. Now we're doing cuticle oil to fix these crispy, crunchy cuticles. And I also wash my hands and put on hand cream at the end to just kind of revive my hands after the struggle that I put them through. And yeah, all the extra shine really just brings it together. And y'all can't tell me that wasn't the perfect base. Like, look at that.
And that's it. Those nails are as easy as that. I feel like that's a very beginner friendly nail design other than the French, but you guys saw the French doesn't have to be perfect. You can clean it up. This video was on the shorter side, but I will say both hands probably took me 2 hours or so. Like, you know, obviously everything is faster in video form because I just kind of show you what I'm doing, cut it, move on to the next thing. But it did take me about 2 to 3 hours to do the whole nail design. But that's also because I was working on myself. You know, whenever you're using your non-dominant hand as well, you kind of got to slow down and make sure things are just as neat as the work that your dominant hand did. So I just wanted to let you guys know how long it actually took to complete the design. But let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what other designs you want to see. I'm still a newbie when it comes to using Gel X. I've only used regular polish my whole life, but I always get gel done at the salon, but I want to cut my salon visits. Hence why we're learning how to do Gel X at home. So let me know what you thought of the video in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I'm gonna catch you in the next one. You better come back. That was aggressive. Okay. Thanks for watching again, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.